Good morning, students. I am Nisha Sindhi and I am taking 4th standard English subject. Today's topic is lesson number 5, Atlanta and the Golden Apples. Atlanta and the Golden Apples. Today we will do exercises. Write true or false. First question is Atlanta lived in Caledon. Answer is true. Atlanta lived in Caledon. Second question is Atlanta was a fearless huntress. Answer is true. Atlanta was a fearless huntress. Third question is Aphrodite is the goddess of the hunters. Answer is false. Aphrodite is the goddess of the hunters. Answer is false. Next question is Atlanta's conditions stopped young men from wanting to marry her. Answer is false. Atlanta's conditions stopped young men from wanting to marry her. Answer is false. Next question is Melanian carried 4 golden apples. Melanian carried 4 golden apples. Answer is false. Melanian carried 3 golden apples. Sixth question is people cheered for Melanian. Answer is true. Yes, people shouted loudly for Melanian. People cheered for Melanian. Answer is true. Answer the following questions. Now let's see answer the following questions. First question is what was special about Atlanta? What was special about Atlanta? Answer is Atlanta was very beautiful and a fearless huntress. Atlanta was very beautiful and a fearless huntress. She always went hunting with the men. She could shoot as well as any other man, and there was no man who could run as fast as she could. Second question is describe the conditions kept by Atlanta before young men were allowed to compete against her. Describe the conditions kept by Atlanta before young men were allowed to compete against her. And the answer is Atlanta placed a condition that she would never marry a man until he won a race against her, to make sure that no man ever competed in the race unless he really loved her. She said that anyone who lost the race would be banished from the kingdom. Third question is how did Melanian finally win the competition against Atlanta? How did Melanian finally win the competition against Atlanta? And the answer is Melanian received 3 golden apples from Aphrodite, the goddess of beauty. The Melanian received 3 golden apples from Aphrodite, the goddess of beauty. As an answer to his prayer while racing with Atlanta, he threw the 3 golden apples one by one. Whenever he felt that Atlanta almost caught up with him, this made her stop for a minute to pick up the apple, and Melanian utilized the time to win the race. Vocabulary. Match the following words in column A with their meanings in column B. So here some words are given in column A. Now we have to match their meanings in column B. So first one is quick fix. Quick fix. So here correct meaning of quick fix is option C. Something done fast to solve a problem. Something done fast to solve a problem. Quick freeze. So meaning of quick freeze is option D. To freeze food very quickly before it stops being fresh. Option D. To freeze food very quickly before it stops being fresh. Quick-witted. Quick-witted. Meaning of quick-witted is able to think of good ideas or good answers quickly. Option B. Quick fire. So meaning of quick fire is done quickly one after another without pausing. Correct is E. Done quickly one after another without pausing. Quicksand. Meaning of quicksand is A. Soft wet sand that is dangerous to walk on. Soft wet sand that is dangerous to walk on. Pronunciation. Read the following words. Notice that we do not pronounce the letter L in any of these words. The letter L is silent in all these words. So letter L is silent in all these words. Balm, calm, pam, pam, talk, half, calf, should, could, would. Write 6 more words with silent L. Right now we have to write 6 more words with silent letter L. Chalk, york, fork, walk, almond, salmon. Almond, salmon. These are 6 more words with silent letter L. Language and grammar. Fill in the blanks with the correct conjunction. Fill in the blanks with the correct conjunction. First one, you must hurry up dash you will miss the train. Answer is or. You must hurry up or you will miss the train. Second one, he is rich dash he is unhappy. Answer is but. He is rich but he is unhappy. Third one, Raj is tall dash fat. Answer is and. Raj is tall and fat. Fourth one, Manju loves tea dash coffee. Answer is and. Manju loves tea and coffee. Fifth one, Sunny missed the movie dash he was late. Answer is because. Sunny missed the movie because he was late. Sixth one, the vase fell down dash did not break. Answer is but. The vase fell down but did not break. So students, here we completed our lesson number 5, Atlanta and the Golden Apples. So read and write all the question answers and true or false from the lesson Atlanta and the Golden Apples. Write in your English homework notebook and send on WhatsApp. Thank you.